Casket Dolly, you could have never. Next time when you go back at the breast surgery, tell him say make a hump and a dip. And then carry them back up so. Cause you only don't look good. Me hear you. I heard you. Tina Chindy thinks that me is one of them like Jamaican people that let my family member or my mother or my father go in a nursing home. We come from the old roots and she don't understand that. So she tried to make me feel bad this morning. You're not making me feel bad. I'm going to tell the truth and they look nice. Why? Not even if you come out with that drunker spirit grey dress, you're still dancing. You couldn't find one more dress for post for last night. Caught your feet. Fashion police. You think me care? Yeah, them looked nice last night. I'm not lying. What? Baby? All of that. You wanna come out with your letters and all of this shit. You drive the people them where I watch you mad. You can't call me mongrel dog birth. You can't call me whatever you want to call me a birth. But guess what? You see this? Me cute in a real life, you know. I'm enough to carry myself. Me and you strip butt naked and walk down the street, me beat you. You don't have no mileage pin, Tina. Shouldn't talk about her. She's arrested. As a matter of fact, she's reading the Bible today. You run, hide, and do things. Never trust a person like that. The drum is on you. No liquor sleeping. When the last time you were come up? When you get 8 hours. 8 hours of sleep.
I'm still ask question. When you give you an honest input on the dress. May I give my honest input on the dress? Me, I will give my honest input on the dress.
Mm-hmm. I want to hear your honest input.
On YouTube. Then go up on YouTube.
A money y'all look.
Start over. They never know to start if you start over.
Money y'all look. And I know all you make people, again. All you are trick people.
So we back again. Maybe I take a YouTube, just a chat.
You chat too much.
Just a chat the things them.
Someone wanna, hey, I'm telling you something now. Someone wanna, I'm telling you out here, so. Why I mean I want strict mode too. Someone wanna pick up arms house and fuck her too much. Someone wanna like to hear the truth. Someone wanna go and get caught up. Here. You know, say if the most I put everybody on a job is a high number that fail. Because them things that God are just so. And I'm not like when time people talk the truth. Some of these people that sits there and don't know that truth come in all different shapes, size, and angles. And this man do it. Some of these, hey, listen, me want a low number of you on out here, so if you don't like me. Because I'm telling you, on feel say, I don't know if when I get up and feel say, yo, I me put breath in on a body or whatever. If I uno or on friends or whatever, put breath in on a body. But it's not like that, you know. You see, phone error and what's going on now. Phone error is out the way. You hear me? Just like, oh, in a phone era, Uno didn't want people to learn from Uno. That's just the way it is, but I don't force it. Y'all will see it, and some of y'all will be screaming out.
We're not tight clit.
Yo, anytime Uno see dirty spirit and things like that, you see one time Uno see people a channel and a challenge them. Either on for learn or walk away. Because one way or another, On a naga like this when it's too late by on the door. That's why I'm gonna rate some of you. Cause the way how me walk in a life, you will probably think you can call the police for me and the police will just come and check and see if me have IDs and stuff, and that's it. There's different ways people for learn. That's why you have first period, second period, third period. Every class is blood clot different. Yo, somehow, hey, that's why I say freedom. Do you know what that means? Do you know how far that go? Some of them Jamaican people, I never don't like me from morning because some of them still like Tina Chin. Some of them still like the blood clot one or two. In a real life. And them look better than them. Just because the girl call me out, anywhere my mother there right now, I try to find her. Because I'm going to talk in another video. I'm going nasty up whoever try to be disrespectful. Because if them don't meet what is on my table of truth, then them not a blood clot reason for talk. I'm the fucking judge. Them is the fashion police. You have to see where one come from. Nobody can see where she come from. Anybody can see where she come from?
Sit down and relax and listen. Keep on your finger quiet. You understand?
Shut the fuck up. Earth people. Them people have been on Earth people from back in Jamaica before they even got over here in America. How do I know that and I live over here all my life? Just pray how they doing it. You could tell. I'm not an idiot.
We over here where we can talk.
You shouldn't be talking because you don't have no room. You don't have no reservation. You don't have a goddamn thing to be talking, bitch. What you are doing, you're looking views off of YouTube and running both channels. What y'all don't understand is, I'm in this Jamaican diaspora because I don't know about everybody. It is your duty to fucking tell me when you start off some stuff. Tell me and prove it to me. It's not about picking sides or none of that shit. At this point now, if they want to pick sides and all of that, well, hell, I ain't going with nothing dusty and dirty. Just as your house is clean, your heart must be goddamn clean. Don't give no fucking opinion. Your opinion don't go like that. See, anybody have the right, you know, to have an opinion. But when y'all take it this far, don't nobody want to hear a goddamn thing from y'all. Because, see, you was one of them little end-of-non narcissistic dunce. You sit there and you know exactly what's going on. Ain't no reason for you to be playing with the people, baby. Ain't no reason if this man sits high and he looks low, you still gonna be disrespectful. Everything down on earth today, bitch, he got it up there in heaven. Meaning he got his security, he got his guards, he got everything. I'm talking about everything on the block. That'd be a hell no for me. If you make 13 or 14 years look like you just came over here the other day, baby, after seeing you, that is bullshit.
Then, I push you one and do one. Okay, one and rent. We live in our one and no, we live something.
That's when you know you should have just took your fucking ass to sleep, baby. You should have took your ass to sleep last night, sweetheart.
But we live in our man house. You know.
What about the dress, baby? All of this man house and all of this old foolishness you talking about. Don't nobody have, listen, if I'm feminine and I see somebody talking about me, baby, if I ain't never had my head on no penis and do all the things that y'all hear that they be doing, then they fucking can't talk to me, baby. They don't have no goddamn room, sweetheart.
Those ones. Oh, that's so. Hey. Listen,
I'm them busy now with no appeal. I know mine. Oh, God.
Let me tell you.
That's the flat line, baby. Amanda, that's the flat line, sweetheart. You hear me? For free? No, man.
Not a long, don't
Don't stay long, because you already fucking up for me. You already messing up, baby.
So I reboot the phone and everything and come
Yeah,
back.
damn, she had that. Y'all was tailgating last night. Y'all ain't go to bed, did y'all?
Come where I talk about that and just you know. Give me the 3 hours and tell me when you
Girl, don't do that shit. Because if you do that, then we gonna have to, whatever you say, then I'm gonna have to find, because you feminine, bitch, so I'm gonna have to find a picture of you of when you look, and you better not. You better not. So I'm gonna allow you, baby. But the judge is out here, sweetheart, and I do not need a black robe. All I need is this white V-neck t-shirt. Yes, honey. Come on with it. None of them can talk because they couldn't afford it, and it wasn't their business. But anyway, because I saw y'all set them up for come talk shit.
come fast, right, quick and let them there.
Fast, quick, and in a hurry.
3 hours to come. Give an honest opinion. I'm telling the mind.
Why would you even do that when you hate somebody so much with a over obsessive disorder? Why would you do that? Now, if your face look the way I look, you think if I don't find a dress on you that's covering your satellite, or satellite, whatever the fuck them things is crawling in up them black veins from whatever in your heart traveling through your veins while you bleaching out them things. If you cover it up, can I just use that? Just that picture, just to see what your face would look like.
She don't have no good friend. That I hear.
Ask them, do you have any good friend? Because if you did, bitch, they don't know how to tell you to do. Girl, I would never do that to my friends. And I wouldn't want my best friends doing that to me, baby. I need y'all to tell me fast and in a hurry. You don't have no friends. Because if you did, they would be telling you some things.
One of your opinion that I want,
Opinion.
that is our opinion. All right, come again. 3 where we upon and them tell on the mind. 3 where we upon and them tell on the mind.
I'm waiting.
Come 3 where we upon. I'm telling the man it was given Barney. It was
given what? You ain't seeing that. Listen, Lorraine, you ain't seeing that motherfucker last night at Butcher concert. It was given what? All of you motherfuckers is clowns. And there go the leader. They ain't had to buy the nose, no nothing. Y'all bitches is all over the place. Keep it in the ring.
Giving Barney feelings.
You in the face, because we can't see her face that's talking to you and saying what it's given. What it's given is that she in the fucking dark hiding her face, and she probably look like shit hot fuck. And you, on the other hand, you know you look like you walked off the goddamn burnt unit without the doctor's consent. For 5 years they've been having your ugly ass trying to go back in and get back on that ward unit. And you don't want to. You're just in hiding. And you was an American citizen shit house. 4 years you could have been the oldest one in the classroom in complete high school. 1 year on into college.
Too much material, alright, tree.
It wasn't too much. It wasn't. Bitch, it wasn't. Oh, wait. And then I saw that green dress behind her, honey, with that hairdo, baby, both looking good. The devil is a liar, bitch. About to go side by side with you in my blue dress, bitch. You ain't saying nothing. You just doing it all out of hate. But let's go. We're not gonna have that. One for last night, none for you, bitch. Come on.
All right.
That's
For
one.
me, the dress is not a bad dress.
Bitch, because you know in yourself, the way how you dress, you know that dress looked nice. You did, bitch. Don't lie. It's not about dress. And after but, if you say but, I know it's gonna be bullshit.
But when you wear something, you have to bear in mind of your body shape, your body.
I don't give a damn what you gotta bear in mind. Do you not see them big ass girls out there? It wasn't nothing wrong with that businesswoman last night. She looked fabulous. Voluptuous and nice, boof, buff. That's all we saw. Turn your body security system off and let's get on the night, sweetie. Let's get on the night. Because what y'all be looking like, only God, He knows, bitch. So we gonna do it. We gonna do it, and we gonna do it very good. You don't know what chill is.
Your body shape and your body type.
Baby. What was you zooming in for? Because I know one thing. See, I done told y'all before, I'm the way that I am, okay? I don't need nobody to tell me nothing. I'm telling y'all. That means y'all ain't got to be worried about me. You got to be worried about the ones that's in the closet. This is what you call drunker spirit, bad mind spirit. When I said that she looked fabulous last night, that's what the fuck I said. Because I'm in America and I know motherfucking fashion and style, bitch. And I don't have to get dressed. You see these type of people, leave it up to them, bitch. You didn't have a chair or a goddamn seat.
Them two, some of them you have to take into consideration.
No, you need to take your whole goddamn body into consideration now. And I'm talking about you, Lorraine. Everything from your black, yellow stomach is running through them goddamn veins and showing up as black. That woman looked goddamn good, bitch. You want me to tell you? Let me put the eyes up because I ain't old. I love you, darling. But just let me That woman looked so nice that I was at work, bitch, and I was shamed for you because you was one of them that was peeping over the fucking fence. Let me sit down. Let me sit down. Let me Yeah, broken a blood clot neck. I am here to tell you. I'm not a rude child. I just tell it like it is. You didn't see her?
When you work, when you go wear a dress like this.
Girl, every mother, first of all, we ain't talking about no closet with you because you ain't have one. We see how you is when you go to people's house, honey. A nasty piece of shit that ain't never had nothing, that made her way, some way, somehow, put her feet in her hand and ran to the United States and have them to feel sorry for. Now you trying to throw it up in everybody's face. That's not how I go. Put your foot down. You're a citizen shithouse. There is not a job in America for you to be a body security without somebody's consent for so long. That's like you committing a crime, bitch. And now you want to sit here. You tell me what you look like. Every time you and your Beetlejuice husband, why he look like Beetlejuice nowadays. You tell me why you look like that next to him with all your old ass hairdos. Even the one that look like a penis on top of your head without the condom. Where that bun is at. Every braid that you have in your hair. Bitch, them bitch be like dookie braids. Wide ass parts. Where we going? You don't see you. You don't see all of your hairdo. It look like some old child that's getting into something that they like doing your goddamn hair. Be quiet, bitch, because she looked nice last night. Boss status. You didn't see it?
It need a slim person.
Me blood clot. Look on this one here, lad. Look on she. Look on cracker blood clot. Look on the trampoline gums. Look on her. Look on the sponge gums. Look on her. Look on Planet of the Ape Monkey. Look on her. Look on her good. Now make me ask you another question now. Forget that the skin color back. What that look like? A cow, no. She have the audacity. Look on her. Sit down. Drunk her spirit. She did look nice. Damn good. You never see her sit down on the stage. How about the security?
Two.
No found a blood clot chat about her so bad, so nasty, and all of these things. And the Lord allows us to witness things. The devil is a liar. Move. Your Planet of the Ape Monkey. You have drunk her spirit. Bring your toe. What?
Them up in the ear too much.
She said, don't watch her breasts. She don't love woman. Use about the security. Leave her alone. Show them yes. Not to you though. No fear her one. She never have to spend money for it. Come out her bosom, bitch. Look how much, look how much girl come out here so. And I show this every day and this and that and move. Move, you don't know what elegance is. You're fucking trash, bitch. Oh, leave her alone. Me say it went like this. Poof. Leave it alone. She looked it good. Yeah. You mad? Oh, we.
You're not seeing no trust at all. A peer breast.
Hey, breast. The Lord bless her with breasts. Breasts, sis. Leave it alone now. How come me see my favorite person on social media and me never done in her bosom? Well, you're family ram still, because you do anything. Anything from black market. You will do it. Go on back to security. She did look nice. Bam!
It don't look good.
It don't look good. Your mouth don't look good. All when you shut up and want it to move, it don't look good. Your face don't look good. You look like you're living at the alcohol bar. Move and go. Go and move, bitch. Hey, me tell you something. You know what man feel do now? I don't like some man like disrespect woman or nothing, you know. But you see like how you know how ugly you look like a blood clot Planet of the Ape Monkey. You know, so the man them now for see you. I see the whole of the woman them last night. I see the bam. I see the woman last night. I see you attack and come out and run with your blood clot because you don't have nothing to prove or show. Nothing at all. Put her out there with the whole of the man them who wear the suits down and look damn good. Look finger looking good to the woman them who have class. Now put that image in on the head. Then we laugh after you. I say, hey baby, bam. Move and go. Poof. Move. But it's security. Trust security. Security was there all night, bitch. You gotta worry about none of that. She looked at fabulous with your nasty ass. Talk about something, your opinion. You need to turn it on yourself. Find your melanin back.
But the dress itself?
The dress itself, go and go make something similar now, because you know say you're carbon reject copy. Because everything the woman do you try to do. Let's talk about it today Sunday, no lying. And you can't amount up. Use a disrespect when you talk to any woman with a split between them legs. Lorraine, everything about you is sad. You're sadder than a baby funeral. Sorry. And I choked. Because first of all, you're trying to mind our business. And I go like use a chest chemist or something like that. You ain't nothing like that, girl. Go and sit the fuck down. You know what? She look nice last night. I ain't never display her, you know. Cause me make her look stupid. Oh, me make her look very stupid. Oh. No, so me not gonna wear a dress no more, but me put a dress next to her. And me stand up there so you know one blue dress. Move and go and move, dirty bungle. Look on your face, boy, you try add up. Add up what? I call them one that have no sense. Them one that have no sense.
Would I wear the dress? No. Why?
You wouldn't wear the dress because you can't afford it. Sometimes your husband will keep you upstairs and run you in a basement. Move and go. You're back to security. Steve for divorce you for minding the woman business for so long. Him not have nothing but for himself neither. Him need for run you.
And the dress you look good.
Me say you not see your body. All when you try to wear the pum pum shorts them. You put chop. Your vagina look stink, girl. You look like everything about you stink. You look like the back of your throat have pus in it or something. Why you sound like that? You sound hurt. Everybody you put your mouth on, them bless. Move and go. You don't have no sense.
This is not a bad dress.
Man, your false teeth them fall out. It's not a bad dress at all, baby. It looked it good. I mean, come on. You love woman, you know. But you're not about to security, you hear? She fine. Come out her bosom. You're too enough. Now you go far.
You're a slimmer modeler.
A slimmer model, you dumbass. Ain't you in America? You need a bit of English class, honey. We not discriminate her body. Can you hear me say? No, you can't discriminate her body because if me run with her every morning, bitch. Me say one time I day at work, I come home on the seat and I say I run with her, bitch, and I share it. She can run faster than you. You don't see how one of your knee cup them look. One bigger than one. Tell me where your brain is at dog shit. You don't have nothing to offer. First of all, you beg her. You beg her in the first place for say, Lorraine, you beg the woman. Oh, you're running her and in her business. So I know some things go, bitch. Back up. Back up. The whole house now got blood clot behind, you know. The whole house. You know why? Me say, Lorraine, me, if you never had the wickedness, I ain't never passed the rope. I wouldn't say nothing to you, you know. I wouldn't. Me that say, good, you come from Waterhouse. Maybe should I know my uncle, blah, 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 blah. Alright, but none of your fucking business. But, you see her, I running her. And this is your story. This is your story, Lorraine Brown. Your story is that you see this woman when she was when she was residing in Jamaica the other day before she came over here. You understand? To a place of residence. You ran up on that lady and you wanted her to do something while she was helping folks out because, you know, that's what she was chosen to do. That's her thing. And I don't know what the fuck you heard from my favorite person, bitch. But it goes a little something like this. I don't know if you heard not right now or no. But after that, you started to have a hate for her, bitch. But I'm going to tell you something. That ain't the way to go out and to hate somebody and to put this much shit on their name and then to watch the Lord shame your dumb ass out here that ain't got a goddamn education with a fucked up background like that, bitch. I'm not afraid to tell the truth. It say tell the truth. Okay? And shame the devil. And that's exactly what I'm doing. You don't have a motherfucking argument. Sit down because she looked at nice last night. She looked at fabulous last night. Since these are just your problem. Mind your business, bitch. Everybody in there looked at nice. Hello, how you doing? From across the fence. Tailgating. Like y'all don't have y'all asses to go wash. Y'all husbands to go feed. Something to go do. Bitch.
Me gonna wear it because I'm a body shape.
Listen, you sound slow as fuck. You sound like one of them people that'll get on my nerves that's driving 15 miles per hour in a 45, bitch. Hurry up. Just being nosy. Just slowing down traffic. Hurry up. It don't make no sense. But then I hurry it to me in our life for that. I say, you know how much people, you know how much people still like Uno? What people always talk about them drunker spirits there. But them now say it in another farm here. I know for you in Lorraine. And it is so easy to take another fuck on. With just throat. And stay on it. I want to go past 16 other things and then forget what I want to do. I'm sharp, bitch. I don't forget nothing. You steal. And yeah, I make people eat it. You know what that considered as? Tell me. Unintelligent bitch. That's considered somebody getting sick after eating your stale ass and then they wind up family gotta take you to fucking court. Told you, you stale. You stale goods.
Understand?
Out of everybody. Y'all just, this ain't no target practice, bitch. No, we don't understand. We in America.
I'm all grown older. I look better. Yeah.
Girl, I done told you.
You understand? But for me, the dress.
Keep it to yourself. You don't even look good when she wake up this morning. You don't look like her when she woke up this morning, bitch. Bye. You hideous. Sloppy. Your fingers, I wouldn't eat from you.
It's not about dress.
Me say, sister, she come to America to sit. Me say, sister, I don't know why. Them don't join the rescue squad. When me say join the rescue squad, because if you have Tina Chin, Marcia, that one yeah, I can just imagine the rest of them. If these are the things them do, I want to I was getting ready to leave. I was gonna have a private one-on-one with Joe, and I was just gonna say, Joe, let me tell you something. You have some beaver spirits, what we would call drunker spirit, that migrate from the country that y'all got over here. And I'm just sick and tired of paying taxes for them, because when you see them, they're like shit. The things that they say in our dialect, which is called patois, I am telling you. I'm talking about something. If you see this Barbie though, Joe, if you saw her last night in that dress, even you and your wife would have said that lady looked good last night, honey. Go ask Barack and his wife. Moments. Ugly ass. Keep an event, Lorraine. Fucking alcoholics and everything.
You don't like it too much frill?
I don't like your teeth. I'd rather you talk without them. And keep that and keep that short one right there, that sharp one.
But it's not about dress, it's on a slim person.
So I can never tell Marcia that I got a wahala. You know, see that need upon a slim person for 28, right? Boy, on the troublesome. I tell you now, a troublesome spirit from Jamaica. You not believe me? You don't have a troublesome blood clot spirit. And I could almost understand why Ping Ping was created. Because ain't nobody responsible for that fool but the Lord, and that's it. Can't tell her nothing, because everything she base it on the Lord. Girl, y'all gonna have Ping Ping tell these hoes some truth. I don't like to let her loose on nonsense. Where do you have room, sweetie? You talking and you don't like somebody dressed. I'm about to mess up everybody head that's right here right now. And I can't even see them because y'all always keeping the good crowd away. But keep them away, damn it. As the Lord say, grab one and have them to understand what you're saying, because I'm saying it through you. Because I know how wicked they are. I already beat Lorraine. You is a false witness, and you creating false witness and everything. Let me go down in the preaching on your dirty ass. You come over here with the same energy that you leave from Waterhouse so the people don't know you about. You don't blood clot change. The only thing will change is your skin complexion, and that not work for you. When I say it's not working, it's not working.